Today we plunge into the vivid universe of herbs with a special focus on basil, a plant you thought you knew. Prepare to be amazed. Really, it's not just for pesto. Basil's got some pretty amazing healing powers too. So let's explore how this humble herb can be a game changer for your health at home. Stay tuned. Introduction to basil. Basil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and essential oils, basil has been revered for centuries in culinary and medicinal practices. Did you know basil can boost your mood and fight depression? Thanks to its essential oils, it's considered a natural antidepressant. And for those dealing with inflammation, basil is an anti-inflammatory hero that can help alleviate swelling and pain. Let's make a simple basil tea. Just steep fresh basil leaves in hot water for about 8 minutes and you've got a soothing drink that not only relaxes your mind, but can also help with digestion. You can create an even more calming, soothing version of this tea by combining it with lavender. This tea is perfect for those moments when you need to unwind and uplift your spirits. You'll need a handful of fresh basil leaves and a teaspoon of dried lavender flowers. If you prefer a milder flavor, you can adjust the amount of lavender to your taste. Start by boiling water. While it's heating, add your fresh basil leaves and lavender flowers to your teapot. Once the water is boiled, pour it over the leaves and flowers, letting them steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavors and benefits. After steeping, strain the tea into your favorite cup. For a touch of sweetness, you can add a teaspoon of honey. This not only enhances the flavor, but also complements the natural properties of the herbs. Basil Beauty Remedy. Moving on to beauty, basil can also enhance your skin. It has antibacterial properties, making it perfect for managing acne. I'll show you how to whip up a quick basil face mask. Just blend some crushed basil leaves with honey and apply it to your face. This natural remedy can leave your skin feeling refreshed and vibrant. Basil as an insect home remedy. Basil is also fantastic around the house. It can act as a natural insect repellent. Just place pots of basil at windows or doors to deter flies and mosquitoes. Or you can make a spray by steeping basil leaves in water and adding a bit of vodka. Yes, vodka. To spray around the entry points. Healthy cooking with basil. And we can't forget the kitchen. Beyond the classic basil pesto, try adding fresh basil to salads, pizzas, or even cocktails for an extra layer of flavor. It's not only delicious but adds a punch of health benefits to every bite. There you have it. Basil is truly a versatile herb with a plethora of surprising uses. We've only scratched the surface today, so I encourage you to explore more and make the most out of this incredible green gem. If you found these insights helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and spread the word. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.